I'm here at Beau's house and I've come to help him prepare for today's cafe milk. Now, cafe milk, Beau, what's that about?
It's about unity. It's about celebration of anything.
And we give everyone some food and something to drink.
Lots of cakes, homemade cakes, a lot of food, a lot of drinks.
I've got a scallop dish today because I love scallops. For me, they're the king of the shellfish, I reckon. They're quick to do, which is great. Don't take a lot of cooking. We're going to put them on a croûte and then we're going to serve them on a plate so that they can go around, because I imagine there'll be people everywhere soon, yeah?
Everywhere.
Right, we need to get on with it then. These scallops, they're fantastic. They're from out here in the fjord. They grow locally, masses of them. They're easy to come by here, and I really love them. If I can show you one here, the white part's the female part of the scallop, and the orange part around the outside, that's the male part of the scallop. Now, if I drop them in there, your job is to cook them on there, okay?
All right.
You can do that?
That's right.
Fine. I got something for you. I got some Greenlandic beer as we're barbecuing. Would you like one of these?
Aye.
Gotcha. You take that. I'll take this. Local beer, local barbecue. So, you're on the case.
Yeah.
Don't hang about.
All right.
Got to keep them working, you see.
Just take with my fingers?
Nope, take them with the tongs.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with your fingers, but I think you'll burn yourself. So I'm just taking the little, there's a little connective bit here that sticks it to the shell and that sort of thing. We don't want that on there. It can be a little bit tough. Seasoning in there, garlic. Man, they smell good, eh? And while you're doing that, I've got a couple of other things to do, okay?
Okay.
Earlier on today, I made some croutons, so I slightly cheated, but I needed an oven. Simple to do. I brushed them down with olive oil, a little bit of thyme in there as well, a little bit of garlic. I simply put them in the oven, 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. They can sit there. Got this beautiful lettuce. This lettuce comes from South Greenland. I have been to the place where they grow this lettuce. And for the climate we're in, I think growing lettuce is quite an achievement, really. So I've got them sliced up very, very thin. It's only a little small mouthful we're making. Beau, cafe milk, you hold a lot. I mean, your wife is, she's known for them, to be honest.
Yeah?
She's sort of the queen of cafe milk.
Oh. Some say so. She make a lot of cakes, very good cakes.
And cafe milk is a lot about cakes?
Cakes, homemade cakes, and coffee. Lots of coffee.
And you have them all year round? You have them in the winter and the summer?
Winter, summer, birthday, post-school day, confirmation.
Any special occasion?
Yeah, special occasion.
Now look, in here, I put that chopped up lettuce in there. I threw in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I've also squeezed in some mayonnaise. What I'm going to do with this goes simply onto these little croûtes I've got. So we'll grab him out there, pop him on. This is a normal summer's day here in Greenland?
Normal summer's day. Very beautiful.
Like this all the time, yeah?
All the time.
Yeah. That's not quite true, to be fair. So a little bit of lettuce up front there. And I think they're probably cooked.
Okay.
So if you drop them in there, I'll just get you a few more. That's a good job there. It's a great idea for a barbecue, just to have the oil with all the seasoning in it. Saves you a heap of work. Tell you what we'll do, we'll squeeze a little bit of lemon into there. Now that they're cooked, they'll just soak up that flavour. Always put the lemon on after.
Yeah.
That way you get a good fry. Juices on last, makes the frying easier. Oh, man. You want half?
Yes, please.
They're beautiful. The scallop will never let you down, eh?
That's really good.
Lovely texture, lovely flavour. Lemon all over it, beautiful. So, scallops here, onto there, like that. They're just sitting in that nest of lettuce, really. I'm going to need one more, buddy.
Yeah.
Just like that, yep, brilliant. 8 of those. And then with these tomatoes, would you believe they can grow tomatoes in South Greenland? It's unbelievable. Nice little slice of those. Just a whisker of a tomato here. It's really for colour more than anything else. Scallops are on, tomato in the side there. There we go, scallops en croûte. I've got that lettuce chopped up, mixed with a bit of mayonnaise, tomatoes, chives. It's another set of fantastic ingredients from Greenland. I think it's only right we should toast the boys.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Cheers.